The DeLorean T-40, made by the DeLorean Motor Company, was made around 1980, had an 80 horsepower engine, and weighed 5,700 pounds. Its top speed was 30 miles per hour. Wikipedia didn't have any articles about this vehicle, so sorry if I get anything wrong. But anyways, the DeLorean T-40 was made for pulling small aircrafts and vehicles around, and is classified as a tug. An aircraft tug is literally just for pulling around planes so the planes don't have to waste fuel getting around hangars. Also, through my multiple hours of scouring the internet, I only found one website that actually covers this vehicle. From now on, all this information is coming from thedrive.com. Link in the description. The Tug T-40 had a 3.7-liter Chrysler Slant 6 engine and a Chrysler Torque Fleet automatic 3-speed transmission. The only reason DMC used Chrysler parts is because it was specified in a contract that they had to use them. Another contract DMC had was with the military. At one point, date unknown, the U.S. Air Force ordered about 50 tugs for their hangars, and DMC happily supplied the required amount of vehicles. Each tug costed around $8,700 in 1980, but nowadays a new tug costs around $25,000. That's about as much as a Toyota Camry. What's funny is, the T-40 still uses a powertrain and transmission developed in 1960. DMC built around 400 to 500 tugs, and only 92 are accounted for, leaving over 400 units lost to time. It was built because DMC was in a bad position money-wise and needed funding, so they diversified into aircraft tugs. DMC started out making snowcats, which are used on ski resorts to level out snow for people to ski on. Later, DMC made aircraft tugs to carry around planes, then cars to drive around. John DeLorean owned DMC from 1973 to 2005, when he abruptly died. His net worth was around $500,000, which is $778,614.95 in 2023 money. If you enjoyed this episode, maybe comment on something you'd like to see, and check out the description. The link to their website's in the description. Anyways, this has been DreamMaster, and I'll see y'all next time.